Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. The People's National Party, PNP, has raised new questions about corruption allegations now impacting the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU. Questions were raised at a PNP press briefing pertaining to the expenditures undertaken for the Career Advancement Program Youth Empowerment Solution, CAPYES. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
The Career Advancement Program Youth Empowerment Solution, CAPYES, is managed by the Caribbean Maritime University. It was designed to provide an opportunity for unattached youths to gain valuable training and skills for the job market or to further their education. A program with big motives. However, recently, it was revealed that most students enrolled had not received the stipend promised. The opposition has been demanding answers, and at a press briefing on Tuesday, Member of Parliament for North West Manchester, Michael Phillips, pressed further.
I think that the Auditor General herself needs to do a forensic investigation on the CAPYES program that is managed by the CMU, as it will indicate, it would seem as if most of the funds that have been diverted from the CMU went through that program.
But Mr. Phillips did not stop there. He then moved to compensation packages from the CMU.
How many other persons who have been connected to the minister that have been paid through the CMU for other services rendered, and those who were managing his campaign or his work within the constituency of Northwest Centre. So there are a lot more unanswered questions that needs to be sought, and hope that the authorities get to the bottom of this.
On July 5, CMU President Professor Fritz Pinnock announced that he'll be taking a leave of absence, citing transparency and to give the investigations time to finish. When the announcement was made, the opposition said the move was long overdue. Almost 2 weeks later, another call.
We're also making a call for the treasurer, Mr. Devon Gardner from the CMU, to also do the right thing and take a leave of absence. Mr. Gardner himself would be the one that would have been charged in dispersing these funds in his responsibility as treasurer of the CMU. And seeing that most of these invoices had been signed off by the president, and we would have thought that his whole responsibility to at least verify and to protect the funds of the CMU would be his first and foremost responsibility.
Meanwhile, opposition spokesman on education Ronald Thwaites has brushed aside the assertion that it's unreasonable for PNP to expect the government to take action with allegations of corruption when investigations are ongoing.
The People's National Party rejects that. It is perfectly possible to deal with issues of nepotism, of embezzlement and fraud, to show what you have discovered and what steps you propose to take, quite independent of any criminal investigation.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.